Hello my creative friends, Olga from Smart Art Materials here, and this is my second video of a Dutch pour technique. In case you have missed the first video, the link is just in the corner and also in the description of the video. And I have shared some important tips there, so definitely check it out. And at this time I want to work on a long canvas. I'm not sure what the composition is gonna be like, so it's gonna be a fun experiment. And these are the colors that I'm using. I think this is probably my most favorite color combination. And if you want to find out the exact names of the colors as well as the way I mix my paint with Floetrol, I have all that information in the description of the video as well. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I think it looks pretty good now, so it's time to stop blowing. A lot of very cool little details, and these colors work so good together. Now I'm just going to show you the way it looks once dry. So here it is. The gold shines just beautifully, and the aqua color shift also adds a lot of interest to this pour. I especially like this element. I'm not sure what happened here though, I usually never get bits in my pores. I guess I had too much paint in that area. You know, this color combination reminds me of a tropical beach with a teal ocean and a golden sand. Just a dream destination. Also, I think this pour looks pretty cool vertically. What do you think, vertically or horizontally? Let me know in a comment, and thank you so much for watching. Have fun with your Dutch pours.